What time is it? Babe? Are you awake? You're rolling around a lot. Are you okay? What do you mean it's nothing? Did you get any sleep? Come on, what's bugging you? If we don't sort this out, neither of us will be getting any sleep this way. Oh, baby, if you don't want to tell me, it's fine. Come here. Just let me get up. Come here. Best spot in the house. No buts? I don't want to hear it. Ah, there. Isn't that comfortable? I'm glad you like it. It's not every day we stay up late like this together. Let's enjoy ourselves. Shh. It's okay, love. You don't have to talk to me about it if you don't want to, but when you do, I'm all ears. Whenever you're ready, you can just drift off to sleep. Just listen to me. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Pace yourself. It's okay. There's no rush. Just lay here and listen to a little story of mine. Once upon a time, there was this person. They believed themselves to be normal, nothing special compared to those around them. This person longed for something else, just like any other person would. They were filled with love and admiration from this other person. In their eyes, they were amazing. They wanted to be like them. And most of all, they wanted to be with them. They thought that maybe, just maybe, if I could be with them, maybe I could be special too. But they faltered. They were afraid of rejection. They thought that there was no possible way they could be with them compared to that person. They were nothing special. They ran into the room and cried about at the top of their lungs. I want to stand on the same stage as them. I want to be worthy of their love. They cried themselves asleep that night. They found themselves in the hallway. Everything from the walls to the floor were completely white. All that stood in this hallway was the person they loved, slowly walking away. They chased after them with all their might. The once blank halls filled with nothing but white suddenly started cluttering up with debris. It was getting more and more difficult for them to chase after that special person. They were gradually getting closer, just in reach of their fingertips. The debris became too much. It formed a wall separating that special person from them. They fell to their knees, then nothing. They woke up from the dream. What the person did afterwards is a mystery. It's up for your interpretation. Sorry, don't mind me. I just love running my fingers through your hair. It makes me happy knowing that you're within my grasp. Being here with you, it's like a dream. What's my interpretation of the ending? Well, I guess a lot of people would think that's a dead end. That going after that special person would be useless, but I don't think I can accept giving up. I'd break down those walls with my two hands if I had to. I'm nothing special either. No one is. It's the amount of effort we put in that makes us special. If I want to be happy, I'll make it happen. Just how I made you mine. What did you say? Is it weird to be so nice to someone you love? No, but I guess since you're asking, it's because you're worth it. Sometimes it's hard for people to see just how amazing they are. Just like in the story, people get so blindsided by how spectacular other people are, they forget to see how amazing they are. Even if you don't think you deserve to be spoiled, I think otherwise. You deserve the world. Shh. You should get some rest. Just close your eyes and focus on my voice. Every little sound that escapes my lips. Good. You have no idea how important you are to me. I'm honestly tired. No? Just lay there. Let me finish, okay? We all have our own sets of problems, but despite that, I will always have time for you, no matter how busy or tired I am. I'll make an effort for you because to me, you are that special person. It's okay if you don't want me to tell me what's wrong or what's bugging you at night. I can wait. It's just how life is. There's ups and downs, but it'll blow over eventually. Whatever you're going through right now, whatever you're feeling is justified. You're a strong and wonderful person. I know you can get over this. Just remember, you never have to do things alone. I will always be by your side when you need me. We're a team, remember? No matter what obstacle faces your way, we'll persevere together. Shh. It's okay. I can see how far you've come. You're amazing. Proud of all the effort you've been putting in to get this far. Everyone expects great things from you. I'll be right here, cheering you on. Everything will work out fine. But you're only human. We have our limits. I expect nothing else but for you to take care of yourself. Shh. It's okay to cry if you need to. It's healthy to cry. I won't think any less of you if you do. We all do it, and I'll be right here supporting you. I love you.